It's so hard to be confident in your abilities, but everyone has a special talent in which they can believe. If you try, you will see. H-A-P-P-Y, if I believe and try, I can be happy with me. Sometimes you look at someone else and you think you're not as good as them. It makes you feel bad about yourself, but you better think again. You can be your own friend. H-A-P-P-Y, if I believe and try, I can be happy with me. You must believe in yourself, even if no one believes in you. You can achieve wonderful things. You know what you can do. Your dreams can come true.